This is 4 days, 4 elements. That's water, air, earth and fire. During the Creator Summit, GoPro challenged me to film for 4 days on the new GoPro Hero 9. First I will grab some camera gear they sent to a friend of mine here in Innsbruck. Creator Summit. That looks good. Some more batteries. Ooh, the new Max lens mod. Nice. I started this trend on social media where I wake up in my van and then just do something fun. And today I want to bring this to the next level. I will try to get out of the van and surf up a river. I will try to get the van close to the river.
Jawohl, was geht? Hey!
I got the perfect view. You can start in the water over there. I'll just have to get the van in here. This is the device that works down the river and creates the power. I'm just setting up the system on the bridge. The van's over there. Maybe I will do a few test runs. That works quite good. We'll do the shot for Instagram using the Max lens mod on this construction, so it's mounted vertically. Then I grab it like this. I'm ready to surf. Let's do this! We'll try it again. Next we will go paragliding. I will try to fly my drone while paragliding. The drone will go out of battery before we can land, so I have to do an emergency landing in between and then find it back. That will be fun. We got the GoPro on the FPV drone. Whew, that was fun. Drone came down and I have no idea where. Now it's too late to go up and look for it. I will come back tomorrow and try to find it. I will try to search this whole area, but this will be really hard to find it back. It's a little difficult to hike here. Searched the whole day, couldn't find it. Today we will go climbing.
We're gonna start to ascend here and we will climb the Gipfelstürmernadel.
This is easy, and Chris, we will do the climb together. We will have a 4 hours hike. We will have a 4 hours hike. Hey, no. Nearly made it. There it is.
Sehr sexy.
Got a little cold up here. So we made it down. Now we only have to get up there. I'm a little scared to be honest. Got my coffee. My hands are freezing. Made it to the top. This year there were only 15 other people here before us. We are done climbing for the day, but we will still go up there because we haven't seen the top yet. getting dark soon, so we have to go down again. We came to the Achensee and we are just building the GoPro Creator Summit logo, and then we will burn it later. We bought 500 packages of matches. Hope that will be enough. We came this far, but now we have no power left in these, so we have to go home and finish it with more power. I never thought it would take that long. We will try again. This time we prepared the logo in advance. I mounted the GoPro up here for a time lapse. Used the Max Lens mod. Are you ready to burn 20,000 matches? Let's do this.